We are now going to start our lesson Light in the Night, page number 9. Paragraph number is 1, 2, 3, 4. Previously, we have finished up till the third paragraph, which start in the by the late 1700, and it will end up as the city has the appearance of festive illumination. So, students, in the previous lecture, I told you about how the streets of London illuminated and who were responsible of illuminating London streets, and how the tourists were impressed by these lamps which had brightened up the streets of the London in such a manner as if some festival was going around even in an ordinary day. So, what happened next? The lamplighters who were responsible, they were very efficient people. So the lamplighters quickly became an important and valued part of the society. So जो लैम्प जलाने वाले जो लोग थे वो they become an integral part of the society, the social circle. they उनकी बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत महसूस होने लग गई. This was because they often became a key figure in their community. Communities mean in their social circle. So the importance of lamp lighters was being valued, and they considered as an important member of the society, because they become a key figure of their social circle. They would walk the same route twice a day, and as they checked, cleaned, fixed, lit, or put out lights, and they would notice what was going on around them. So वो इसलिए भी ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट हो गए क्योंकि दिन में 2 दफ़ा they went around. They take a tour of the street in which they are being appointed. तो वहाँ पे वो देखा करते थे. They used to clean the lamps and fix them if they find any fault over there. फिर उनको जलाते थे. They lit them up. And और उसके बाद फिर जब सुबह होती थी they were supposed to put out the lights as well. And also while they were doing their work, वो ये भी देखते थे कि इर्द गिर्द क्या हो रहा है. So they, in this way, they become quite important. Many lamplighter helped to make their routes safer, or many lamplighter helped to make their routes safer. और इसीलिए उन्होंने उनकी वजह से एक बात ये भी हुई, because they were मूविंग अराउंड ऑल द टाइम. वो फिरा करते थे और देखा करते थे कौन कौन लोग इधर उधर आ रहे हैं. तो वो ये भी किया करते थे, दे ट्राई टू मेक देयर रूट देयर वे. these lamplighter assured that their routes must be safe. कोई वहाँ पे क्रिमिनल ना हो, तो ये भी वो देखा करते थे. Their job required energy, strength, agility, and reliability. So no doubt about it, they were performing a very important task. So they were doing a tough job also, which required energy, strength, smartness, and credibility as well. So they had to keep the lights clean, make sure the wicks कहते हैं वो जो बत्ती नहीं होती, आपने कभी अगर लैम्प देखा हो, द ऑर्डनरी लैम्प जिसमें ऑयल डालते हैं, तो उसमें एक, या मोमबत्ती देखी होगी, उसके अंदर एक डोरी सी होती है. एक्सक्यूज मी. सो दिस डोरी इज विक. वो इसको विक कहते हैं इंग्लिश में. सो दिस विक, वो अब क्या करते थे, दे हैड टू कीप द लाइट्स क्लीन. वो उसको सफाई भी करते थे. मेक श्योर विक्स आर ट्रिम टू द राइट लेंथ, कि वो जो विक है वो सही मुनासिब उसकी जो है वो ज़्यादा जल जल के छोटी तो नहीं होगी. सो दे मेक श्योर दैट द विक ऑफ देयर लैम्प्स वर प्रॉपरली ट्रिम्ड. एंड देन light tens of the lamps in evening, and उसके बाद lighting 10 lamps in the evening, और उसके बाद can put them all out again in the morning. और सुबह के सबको बुझाना. Many lamp lighters were pleased to be guardians in their communities, and often the job would be passed from parent to child. अब ये इतना इम्पोर्टेंट टास्क होता था. दे वर प्राउड ऑफ देयर जॉब कि दीज लैम्प लाइटर्स वर प्लीज टू डू देयर जॉब. बहुत खुशी से ये काम करते थे. दे वर प्राउड ऑफ देयर जॉब सो मच सो दैट द वर्क would be passed to the next generation with a sense of pride. ये नहीं होता था कि वो कोई इस बात पे उनके औलाद कि औलाद शर्मिंदा हो कि हमने ये काम नहीं कर. दे फील प्राउड. So the lamp posts of the London were designed with a bar. The lamp posts of the London were designed with the bars sticking out on either side at the top, so that the lamp lighters could safely rest their ladder on them. तो अब वो इस तरीके से वो बना हुआ था. लैम्प पोस्ट जो होते थे या वो जो खंबे होते थे वो इस तरह से बने होते थे. दे वर डिज़ाइन इन सच अ मैनर that a rod sticking out on either side at the top, so that the lamp lighters could safely place their ladder on them. इस तरह से बना होता था. हुक सी लगी होती थी, उस पर फंसाते थे ताकि वो जो लैडर है उनकी सीढ़ी हिले जुले ना. Then lamp lighters moved quickly, carrying their ladder and going up and down it hundreds of times a day. और दूसरा भी ये था कि उन्होंने ऊपर नीचे चढ़ना होता था, उतारना, और सारी वो लैम्प्स देखनी होती दिन में सैकड़ों दफ़ा. तो इसलिए इस बड़ी अच्छा इंतज़ाम होता था. उनकी जो अरेंजमेंट होती थी वो बड़ी ज़बरदस्त होती थी. द लैम्प पोस्ट वर डेकोरेटेड with the royal crest and were looked after carefully by the lamp lighters. आपको ये बताऊं कि जो लंडनर्स अभी तक जो है अपनी रॉयल फैमिली का बहुत एहतराम करते हैं. दे थिंक दैट दे आर द शैडो ऑफ गॉड. तो इसलिए उनके लिए बड़ी प्राइड की बात होती है. और इन पीछे 18वीं सदी में अगर 18th सेंचुरी की बात करें, जैसे 1700 उन्होंने कहा है, तो हम उस वक़्त की जब बात सोचें तो दे हैव अ सर्टेन सेंस ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट एंड रेवरेंस कि वो तो सोच ही नहीं सकते थे कि उनकी कोई जो है शाही ख़ानदान का कोई ज़रा सा भी कोई स्टिकर या टिकर होता था. इट वाज जो था एक अ थिंग ऑफ ग्रेट ऑनर फॉर देम. तो उसकी तो उन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा इज़्ज़त करनी थी. तो ये जो लैम्प पोस्ट जो थे उनके ऊपर रॉयल एक क्रस्ट जो था वो भी हुआ करता था. एम्बलम होता था, सॉरी टेसल होता था. क्रेस्ट इज़ अ टेसल. तो रॉयल टेसल भी उसके साथ लटकता होता था. उसकी बड़ी हिफाजत करते थे. सो वर लुक्ड आफ्टर बाय. और ये लैम्प लाइटर्स उसकी डेकोरेशन की भी बहुत ज़्यादा हिफाजत करते थे. देन गैस लैम्प स्टार्टेड टू बी यूज फ्राम 1805 ऑनवर्ड. तो 19वीं सदी में फिर के दे इज़ अ चेंज. और उसमें क्या हुआ कि the time changes and the lamp lighters work was replaced. Now instead of using these oil lamps were replaced by gas lamps, which lamp lighter started, and here lamp lighters started feeling as if their services were no more required. So when it started, they changed the work of the लैम्प लाइटर्स. इसके साथ ही 19वीं सदी में जब शुरू हुई तो उसके आगाज़ में ही उनका गैस लैम्प ने जब रिप्लेस किया ऑयल लैम्प्स को, तो लैम्प लाइटर का काम भी बदल गया. द गैस लैम्प्स वर much quicker to light and did not require lots of the work like the oil lamps. और ये जो गैस लैम्प्स जो थी वो जल्दी से उनको तब्दील भी किया जाता था और ऑयल लैम्प की तरह उनमें ज़्यादा काम भी नहीं होता. such as changing the smelly ऑयल एंड रिप्लेसिंग एंड ट्रिमिंग वैक्स, जैसे कि उनका ऑयल बदलना या हर वक्त जो उसकी बत्ती है उसकी ट्रिमिंग करना, ये सब काम नहीं था गैस लैम्प में. सम ऑफ द लैम्प लाइटर्स फेल्ट देयर जॉब वाजंट द सेम एनी मोर. और अब उन्हें एहसास हो गया लैम्प लाइटर्स को दैट देयर सर्विसेज वर no more required. Charles Dickens captured this feeling in the story The Lamp Lighters when one character talks about the change from oil to gas lamp. So Charles Dickens जो है he is one of the most famous novelist of English literature. He very aptly described these feeling in his novel The Lamplighters, when one character talks about the change from the oil to gas lamps. He said, I foresee in this breaking up of our profession. Breaking up mean ending up. So the character said that he has seen in these gas lamp the end of their profession. There is no more going the round to. There is no more going round to trim by the daylight. अब वो ये कैरेक्टर कहता है कि अब जो है दे शुड नो मोर गोइंग राउंड ड्यूरिंग डे टू चेक देयर लैम्प्स, no more dripping down of the oil on the hats and bonnets एक्चुअली वो हैट्स होती हैं जो ऐसे डोरी के साथ बंधी होती हैं और ये ख़वातीन पहनती हैं, उनके ऊपर बड़ा फ्लावर्स और ये सब कुछ लेके, जैसे बॉनेट्स कहते हैं, वो होती टोपियाँ हैं। तो वो कहती है देवर नो मोर ड्रिपिंग ऑफ ऑयल ऑन द हैट्स एंड बॉनेट्स ऑफ लेडीज़ एंड जेंटलमैन when one feels in spirit. Or ab he said no more trickling down of the oil on the hats and the bonnets of the ladies and gentlemen while one was happy in going around and check और दूसरा क्या, any low fellow can light a gas lamp. Any low fellow mean anyone, any ordinary person कैन लाइट अ गैस लैम्प. उसको में कोई रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है. जो ऑयल लैम्प है उसको जलाने के लिए बहुत एफर्ट्स हैं. सो गैस लैम्प्स वर बेटर देन ऑयल लैम्प्स इन मैनी वेज, ऑल्दो अ बिग इशू विद देम वाज दैट एवरी नाउ एंड अगेन वन वुड ब्लो अप. तो अब ये गैस लैम्प्स जो थे वह हाउएवर more convenient than oil lamps, but there was one problem with them, that any of the gas lamp could burst up sometime without any reason. ऐसे भट करके फट जाती है. Over time gas lamps replace oil lamps. जैसे गैस लैम्प्स ने रिप्लेस किया ऑयल लैम्प्स को फिर गैस लैम्प्स वर ऑल्सो रिप्लेस किससे, लेटर विद द invention of electricity. When electricity was invented, so these gas lamps were replaced by electric lamps. So gas lamps were replaced by electric lamps, which now dominated modern streets. And now this modern street of London's were dominated by modern streets of London were dominated by electric lamps. So there are no more gas lamps. So it means that times keep on changing, and things change with the changing times. So today there are still 1500 gas lamps in London, but in order to preserve that heritage, the authorities of London still keep almost 1500 gas lamp as a history, as a tradition, as their heritage. 5 people are employed to operate. So only 5 people are employed to operate them, to function them properly. The light, sorry, they light them every evening and put them out every morning. No rocket science involved in that. कि वो सुबह के वक्त उनको सुबह के वक्त उनको बुझा देते हैं, रात के वक्त उनको जला देते हैं. These lights are carefully looked after because they are part of the city history, and but these lights are very well cared of because they are the part of the ancient time. They are part of their heritage. So उसका बड़ा ख्याल रखा जाता है इन लाइट्स का. Kensington Palace Garden is the name of a long avenue. Avenue is the road or street in London जहाँ पे ये जो है केंसिंगटन पैलेस जो है, उस पैलेस गार्डन वो नाम है उस शाहराह का लंदन में जहाँ पे ये मौजूद हैं. इट इज़ लाइंड विद ग्रैंड ओल्ड बिल्डिंग एंड इज़ लिट एंटायरली बाय गैस लैम्प्स. और ये जो है सारा का सारा गैस लैम्प से रोशन होता है ये एवेन्यू. देयर यू कैन इमेजिन what it would have been like in London during the time of Charles Dickens. एंड जब आप इस सड़क पे जाएंगे और गैस लैम्प्स देखेंगे then you will realize कि ये क्या ज़माना होगा चार्ल्स डिकन के दौर में, कैसे जो हैं these lights were lit, कैसे रोशन होते होंगे, what the city would have been in the time of the great novelist Charles Dickens. So this is the end of the lesson. I hope all of you understand this. So answer to the question will be given at the end of the lecture. Now come to the page number 11. So working with words. Working with words. Think a suitable adjectives to use with these noun. You may choose words from the text or use your own. So give a suitable adjectives. For example, dash lamp, glowing lamp, and ladder, tall ladder. It could be streets, barren streets, deserted streets, and work, hard work, and city. City, you can say big city. You can write any other word also. This write red light, green light, whichever light you wish to add. So these are my adjectives that I am using. You can use any adjective of your own. So with the help of the dictionary and after reading the words again in the passage, give the meaning of each of the words given below, as you find a very also find a very different meaning for each of the word. So capital is also the capital of Pakistan for Islamabad, but it is also money. Then trip. So you can use different meaning to these words. Crash, issue, operate. I am also giving the answer to this question at the end of the lecture. Then learning about language. Adverbs. Adverbs are the words that add to the meaning of a verb. So here pick the adverbs in the following sentence. Say what kind of adverbs are they. So you must tell which kind of adverb. So you should do it in your book also. London glows brightly. Underline the word brightly. This is an adverb, and it is brightly is the adverb of. It is adverb of which kind of a glows. Glows का मतलब है चमकना. So जो वो चमक रहा है तो what does it tell you? So it tells you about it is an adverb of manner. Yes, it is an adverb of manner. How it brightly is. It does glows brightly tells you about its quality. So next is the lamplighter could safely, underline the word safely, it is an adverb, rest his ladder on them. So this adverb safely is an adverb of manner. Next is lamplighter would put a lamp outside the house. So outside, here is outside. ये याद रखें कि हर वर्ड जिसके आखिर में एल वाई लगे ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो एडवर्ब हो और जिसके ना लगे वो एडवर्ब ना हो. ऐसा नहीं होता. देयर आर मेनी वर्ड्स जिसके आखिर में एल वाई नहीं है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस आउटसाइड. सो आउटसाइड इज़ एन एडवर्ब और आउटसाइड इज़ एन एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. You could easily get lost. So easily is an adverb and it is adverb of manner. They often, underline often, it is an adverb, became a key figure in their communities. So often is an adverb of frequency. कितनी दफ़ा, बार बार, often, बार बार आना. They light them every evening and put them out every morning. So this every is an adverb. Again, it's every is an adverb of frequency. कितनी दफ़ा, हर बार. The lampposts were decorated with royal crest and were looked after carefully. So this carefully is adverb and it is adverb of manner. Got it? Make 3 columns. So this you must do in your notebooks. Make 3 columns and sort the words out into group. Name 3 columns, noun, adverb and adjectives. So you have to इनको कॉलम बनाना, जो नाउन है उनको नाउन के कॉलम में लिखें, इन वर्ड्स में से एडवर्ब को एडवर्ब के कॉलम में लिखें, एंड एडजेक्टिव्स को एडजेक्टिव के कॉलम में लिखें. सो दिस मस्ट बी डन इन योर नोटबुक्स. आपने ये काम करना है, एंड इंशाल्लाह आई विल चेक योर वर्क and answer to the question will be given at the end of the lecture. Thank you very much.